Hi everyone, it's Simon Fox from Lifestyle Essentials, and what I thought I would have a quick chat to you today is in relation to back pain. One of the common positions people get into that actually leads to back pain is in a flexed rotated position, so bent over and rotated. And this position actually puts the back under a lot of stress and a lot of strain. And if you have weaknesses in the intervertebral discs or weaknesses in the spine, this can actually lead to problems and injury. Now, in strengthening that sort of position, what we need to look at doing is we need to firstly teach you how to activate your core. You need to learn how to work what we call your inner unit or your deep core muscles. This will help stabilize your pelvis, help stabilize your lower back, and help strengthen what people call their core. The second thing that you need to do is you need to actually, once you can activate that inner unit, is start to focus on developing the outer core muscles or the outer unit muscles, being the oblique muscles and the erectus abdominis. And the best way to do this in a functional sense in preventing back pain is through rotational movements. Movements like a wood chop or a rotational pull or a rotational row. The important thing when we're doing these rotational movements is when we're starting off in them is we need to start with them in what we call a neutral spine, which is nice and straight and tall and rotating. That'll help strengthen the muscles and help the deeper muscles that support the spine get used to you rotating under load before you start going into that flexed position. So if you do suffer from any back pain and you are in a job where you're having to do a lot of bending and rotating, the first thing you need to do, there are a couple of steps that you need to do to actually prevent back pain. Firstly, you need to get your core working correctly. Secondly, you need to then integrate your outer unit with your inner unit, so the outer big muscles with the inner unit so they're working together. And thirdly, you need to strengthen those rotational movements in a neutral spine position or in a straight spine position. Once you've done those things, then you can start looking at more high-risk exercises or more exercises that are more likely to allow you to bend and twist, which for people with back pain is a high-risk exercise. So if you need any assistance with reducing your back pain or eliminating your back pain, and you'd like to find out more about how to actually strengthen these rotational movements so that you're not suffering from back pain, just go over to our website, lifestyleessentials.com.au, and jump on our blog and have a look at the information on how to prevent back pain. Download our article on the 5 steps to preventing back pain, or shoot us an email at info@lifestyleessentials.com.au, and we'll be able to help you and give you some advice on how you can prevent, reduce, and even eliminate back pain from your life.